What's up, YouTube? Pictures by Schoolboy back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to perform the basic frequency separation using the Gaussian blur. Today I have two amazing pictures right here. Here is the first one and here is the second one. But I think I'm going to use the first one for this tutorial. So before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for amazing content like this, and also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to get notified anytime I put up a new video. Let's get it. Here is what I have right now. So the next thing I'm going to do is run my frequency separation action. By the way, I have a link to download the action in the description, so make sure you check the description box to download this free action after you are done watching this video. So here is it. I'll just run it real quick, and yeah, it's done. So I'll open it, select the down layer for the skin texture, and I'm going to zoom in right now. Now, on a side note, I'm not using a Wacom tablet. I'm just using a regular mouse, so I have to zoom in to be able to make accurate selections with the lasso tool. So that's what I'm doing right now, as you can see. And I can zoom out and select filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. This is what we are going to do today. So by default it's set to 15 because this action, the blur that I used for this action was 15. So I think I'm going to go up a little bit to, let's say, 30, or yeah, I think 30 is fine. So I'm going to use 30. So let's try and see the before and after. Here is the before. Let me zoom in a little bit, and here is the after. Yeah, so small we are getting there. So let me speed up with the rest of the face and get back to you guys. I hope you are enjoying this video so far and you are learning something. If you are learning something, a sub to this channel will be amazing. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel for just amazing content like this. Yeah. In my opinion, it looks amazing. So the next thing I'm going to do is to merge all these layers. I don't think I'm going to dial down the opacity because everything looks nice in my opinion. So I'm going to merge this, and I'm going to create a duplicate. So right now I'm going to select the patch tool, and I'm going to come right here. Some people use the clone stamp tool, but I don't always use the clone stamp tool. I always use the patch tool. I'm doing it the way I would have done it if I was doing it for a client or something like that. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing right now. So as you can see, I'm trying to remove some little imperfections on the skin right now. Yeah, and that's much it. And also, by the way, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Pictures by Schoolboy. Links to everything is always down in the description. You have to support your boy. Support your boy, man. It's not easy out here. So, as you can see, I'm still removing some little blemishes on the skin that I think looks a little bit weird or off, just to make the skin a little bit smooth. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yeah. So let me try and take this off. Yeah, I think it looks better this way. Yeah, so as I said earlier, I'm trying to speed things up, not to make this video very, very long. That's why I'm speeding things up. If I was to be, doing this for a client or a project, something like that, I would have taken my time. But I don't want to bore you guys, so a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. That's what I always say. Yeah, so I think it looks nice right now. Yeah, a little before and after. Not too much though, but I think the skin looks flawless right now. It looks amazing. Let's check up on the arm right here and see if we can do something. Yeah. So that's, yeah, I think everything is okay right here. I think everything looks fine. What do you think, guys? Comment what you think down in the comment section below, man. I'm always here for you guys, right? So this is how far we've come. Oh, wait. Let me take something off right here. There is a little black shadow right here. I don't like it, man. So let me try and take that off before I get back to you. Yeah, so I think it's okay now. Yeah. So as you can see right now, the skin looks much better. As a matter of fact, let me take you to where we started, man. Let me take you to where we started. So here is where we started, and here is where we are now. It's not too much, but it's looking promising right now. Yeah. So whenever I'm done with this, let me go ahead and merge it. The next thing I always do is to run the eyes and teeth whitening action. So that one is also right here. I run it real quick, and I try and make the eyes white a little bit. As you can see right now, it has this warm tone to it, which I don't think I like it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to brush on the eyes using this action. It's an amazing action. I have a video on how I created this action, so I'll have a how do we call it, a tab or whatever right on top here, so you can go and watch that video in case you wanna create your own eyes and teeth whitening action, or learn how to make eyes and teeth white. I don't know why this is running too slow. It doesn't do this. Yeah, so it's a little too much. Here's the before, and here's the after. So I'm going to dial down the opacity to, let's say, 50. Yeah, I think 50 will be nice. Yeah, it looks a little cold and a little warm at the same time, so I think 50 is nice. So this is, how I always perform my frequency separation using my dot. Oh, sorry, using Gaussian blur. It's not too much. It's something very, very little. I don't, do all those fancy style of frequency separation where it doesn't look realistic. As you can see right now, if you look at this picture, it looks normal to the eye. It doesn't look weird. So I think I'm going to do last thing and close out this video. Let me duplicate this real quick. And I think, wait, no, I think it's because of the reflector, cause this part of her eye is goldish. It has some goldish tint to it. I used the gold side of the reflector during this shoot, so I think that's the reason why it has that kind of vibe right there. But since I have done in mind, let me just leave it like that. It also makes the earring pop up a little bit. It looks amazing in my opinion. So this is how I always, use my frequency separation with Gaussian blur. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, a sub to this channel will be amazing. And also don't forget to always turn on the post notification. That's when you are new. Turn on the post notification bell to get notified anytime I put up a new video. I will be, releasing another video on how I color graded this image. So make sure you stay tuned for that if you wanna know how I also color graded this image. And that's much it. I've divided this video into two parts because I don't want to make it a very long video, so I have to divide it into two. So here is the frequency separation part, and the color grading part too is gonna come soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.